In today's lesson, we are looking at comparing integers. First, let's review the symbols. Greater than shows the opening to the left, which is at the larger number, pointing to the smaller number on the right. Less than is the opposite. The point is pointing to the left where the smaller number is located, and the opening is to the right of the larger number. And then we have equal to. Another symbol is greater than or equal to. This means that the numbers can either be the same or larger. Next, we have less than or equal to. And then we have not equal. So we're going to use the number line to help us compare, to use only the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to. First, plot your two numbers on the line, -3 and 1. Since -3 is to the left, it is the smaller number, and the symbol we should be using is less than, since it is listed on the left side of the problem. Number 2 shows -7 and +6. -7 is to the left, so again we are using the less than symbol. Plot -1 and -7. -7 is to the left, so it is the smaller number. We are going to then use the greater than symbol because -1 is the number listed on the left of the problem. -5 and -5 are the same number. This is the equal to symbol. 0 and 3. 0 is to the left, so it is the smaller number, so we are using the less than symbol. 1 and -4. -4 is to the left. This means it's smaller than -1, so we need to use a symbol that's pointing to -4 being smaller. That would be the greater than symbol. We can also use the number line to determine the spaces between integers. First step is to plot the two numbers, -3 and 5. And then you're going to count the spaces between these numbers. When I count these spaces, I start at -3 and jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spaces. We can do the same thing for 0 and 6. Starting at 0, we count the spaces to 6. This is 6 spaces. The spaces between -7 and 1, starting at -7, you're going to count the spaces all the way to 1, and this would be 8 spaces. -2 and 4, starting at -2, you're going to count each of the spaces to 4, and this is 6 spaces.